Bonjour à tous, je m'appelle Jay. Welcome to our YouTube channel Learn French with Jay. Today we are going to start our very basic French class. This will be class 1 and we are going to learn today alphabets. So whenever you are going to start learning a new language, you need to know how to pronounce alphabet first of all. Okay, so in French also we will see how to pronounce alphabets like A, B, C, D. In English we have, in French how can we pronounce. Okay, so first of all I'll write here class first. Here I'll write the topic. In French we call les alphabets. Alphabet. Okay, alphabets. Okay, so while writing you will write A here, after that B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, so how can you pronounce A? I'll pronounce A. So can I write like this? A. This is not the meaning of A, just for your pronunciation. A. You can write in your language also. B. Say will write say. D. E. F. G will be J. Okay. After that we have G, H, I, J, K, L. H will be Ash. I will be E. Look at here. E we have A, I we have E. So very careful with these two. J will be Z. I told you about G. G we have J. J will be Z. K will be K. And this is L. Then we have M, N, O, P, Q. So M will pronounce M, N, O will be O, P will be P, Q. Okay, till now it's fine. Okay, we'll repeat again. We have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, E, Z, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. Okay, next we'll see. So I'm going to erase this part. Then we have air, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, how can we write R? R we pronounce here air. So air, ear. S will be S only. T will be T, U. W will be W. So can I write W like this? X will be X. Y, Z. Okay, again we'll see. R will pronounce air, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, so this is how we have learned just now alphabets in French. In the next class you will have les pronoms sujets, subjective pronouns. So merci beaucoup à tous, thank you so much.